How to maintain the printheads on the HP Jet Fusion 5200, 5600, and 4200 3D printers. Please note that although the video shows a 5200 3D printer, the replacement procedure also applies to the 5600 and 4200 3D printer. Perform the following actions to ensure good printhead health. When a printhead is removed from the printer, use the shipping and fluid interconnect caps to protect it. While not printing, move the printing carriage to the capped position. If the printer will not be used for more than 1 or 2 weeks, put the device in away mode. To do so, turn off the printer and rotate the main power switch. Perform the daily and weekly maintenances as explained in the user guide. Once performed, remove the printheads and place the shipping and fluid interconnect caps on them. If these caps are not available, contact your HP support representative for information. Store the printheads in a room with a temperature between 5 and 40 degrees Celsius. Then remove the detailing and fusing agent supplies from the printer. Finally, ensure that there is no build unit in the printer and that all the doors are closed. Remember that if the processing station or the build unit will not be used for more than 1 or 2 weeks, you must also put them in away mode as explained in the user guide.